Hello, my dear students. Let's continue the last topic, cell organelle. The next organelle is plastid. Plastids are present only in plant cells. They are absent in animal cells. Why? Because there are two types of plastids: chromoplast, which are colored plastids, and leucoplasts, white or colorless plastids. No color is present in leucoplast, but chromoplast having color pigment known as chlorophyll, which is also known as chloroplast, and this chloroplast is known as plastid. Chloroplast, as you all know, because it contains chlorophyll, is important for photosynthesis in plants. That's why plants having green color. Chloroplasts also contain various yellow or orange pigments in addition to chlorophyll. As you can see the diagram, the internal organization of chloroplast consists of numerous membrane layers embedded in a material called the stroma. You can see this structure, the membranous structure, is known as stroma. These are similar to mitochondria. You all have learned the structure of mitochondria. Similar to the structure of mitochondria, they also contain their own DNA and ribosomes. Chloroplasts contain other pigments like yellow or orange pigments in addition to chlorophyll. But leucoplasts are primarily organelles in which materials such as starch, oil and protein granules are stored. So the function of both the types of plastids are different. The next organelle is vacuole. Vacuole is present in both animal cell and plant cell, but there are some differences in their structure. Vacuoles are storage sacs for solid or liquid contents. Vacuoles are small sized in animal cell. As you can see, the size of vacuole in animal cell is small and the size in plant cell is larger. The central vacuole of some plant cells may occupy 50 to 90% of the cell volume. Why? Because in plant cell, vacuoles are full of cell sap. Cell sap means the fluid content which contain amino acids, sugars and various other organic acids and some proteins which are very important for plant cell. Cell sap and provide turgidity and rigidity to the cell. Many substances of importance in the life of the plant cells are stored in vacuoles, like I said, amino acid, sugar, various organic acids and some proteins. Vacuoles are also present in amoeba. When I taught you the structure of amoeba, they also have food vacuoles to store food items that amoeba has consumed. In some unicellular organisms, specialized vacuoles also play important role in expelling excess water and some waste from the cells. So this is the difference between the structure of vacuoles in animal cell and plant cell.